Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mobile app development, specifically focusing on a question that's been swirling around the web: does Vivid support Swift? For those unfamiliar, Vivid is a relatively new and exciting platform for building beautiful, interactive mobile apps. It boasts a user-friendly interface and promises a streamlined development process. But with a new player in the game, compatibility can be a concern, especially for developers comfortable with established languages like Swift. So, can you ditch Swift and embrace the world of Vivid, or are they mutually exclusive? Let's unveil the mystery. Swift, a developer's favorite tool. Swift, developed by Apple, has become a dominant force in iOS app development. Its clean syntax, powerful features, and seamless integration with Apple's Xcode development environment make it a developer favorite. From building dynamic user interfaces to managing complex functionalities, Swift offers a robust toolkit for iOS app creation. The rise of Vivid, a new hope. Vivid, on the other hand, takes a different approach. It positions itself as a low-code/no-code platform, allowing users with minimal coding experience to create basic to moderately complex apps. This is achieved through a visual interface and pre-built components, making development faster and potentially more accessible. The big question: compatibility. Now, the million-dollar question: can these two worlds coexist? Does Vivid, designed for a broader audience, offer support for Swift, the seasoned developer's language of choice? The answer, and it might surprise you. Here's the truth bomb: currently, Vivid does not directly support Swift. The platform utilizes its own proprietary language and visual tools for building app functionalities. This might come as a disappointment to some Swift purists. But wait, there's more. However, the story doesn't end there. Vivid does offer a few bridges for developers familiar with Swift or other languages. Here's what you need to know. Integration with existing code. Vivid allows you to integrate existing Swift code modules into your Vivid app. This means you can leverage the power of Swift for specific functionalities while still utilizing Vivid's visual tools for the rest. Learning curve. While not directly using Swift, the core programming concepts learned through Swift, like variables, loops, and logic structures, translate well to Vivid's development environment. So, your Swift knowledge won't be entirely wasted. The verdict: a strategic choice. So, should you completely abandon Swift for Vivid? Not necessarily. Here's how to approach this. For beginners, if you're new to app development, Vivid can be a fantastic starting point. Its visual tools and low-code approach make building basic apps a breeze. For experienced developers, with time constraints, if you have a tight deadline and need to create a simple app, Vivid could be a time-saving option. You can build the core app quickly and then integrate custom Swift functionalities later. For Swift devotees, if you're deeply invested in Swift and building complex, high-performance apps, then sticking with pure Swift development might be the better choice. The future of Vivid and Swift. With Vivid's growing popularity, it's possible that future updates might offer more robust integration with languages like Swift. It's always good practice to stay updated with the platform's roadmap. While Vivid doesn't offer native Swift support currently, there are still ways to leverage your Swift knowledge and potentially integrate existing Swift code into your Vivid app. Ultimately, the choice depends on your project requirements, skill set, and development goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.